Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do it on TikTok with saved video. So guys, if you want to do it on TikTok with a saved video, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all you have to simply save the video on your TikTok account. So guys, you can see the video, you have to simply save it. So guys, for that you have to simply tap on this save button and save the video on your TikTok account. So guys, simply do this, and after this download and install the latest version of TikTok app on your device as well. So guys, do this, and after this you have to simply open your app store and then go to saved items from here. So guys, simply tap on this and go to any video and then tap on this arrow button to share, and from here scroll it to the right side, and here you can see do it option. So guys, you have to simply tap on this, and after this you can easily do it on TikTok with a saved video. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.